So once again, I'm here at the start of the Rock Lookout car park, but this time we're not going to the Rock Lookout, we're heading to Nepean Narrow Lookdown. It's a much longer track, and I think there and back is about 11 k's. Anyways, pack those bags, fill those water bottles, lace up those boots, and let's get going. So a lot of this is going to be firetrail walking, so prepare yourself for that. At least the scenery around isn't too bad though. So, the walk to the look down involves a lot of incline on the way there, so you enjoy that just like I am if you do decide to come here. Also, being a fire trail, not a lot of coverage overhead, so on a hot day I can't imagine it being too fun. So wear a hat, long sleeves, bring lots of water if you're going to do it on a hot day. I recommend definitely not doing that. Anyways, I'm going to get back to enjoying this. So this is Riley's Lookout. It takes a bit more effort than the Rock Lookout, but arguably worth it and usually far less people. That's the Nepean River just behind us, and all of that is Blue Mountains National Park. We're gonna size it. So that is the quarter mark for this walk. We've got another quarter to go before we get to the Nepean Narrow Lookdown, and then we have to walk all the same way back. Good times. This does definitely not look promising. It's a decline, so it means on the way back it's gonna be a incline. Oh, the joys. Still lovely to be out in nature. Kind of price you have to pay, right? Not a bad view, right? That is the Nepean Narrow Lookdown. I think it's called the Narrow because there's a narrowing of the river just there. Either way, it is a gorgeous spot. A lot more effort than the Rock Lookout. You kind of get the same thing, but arguably better because it's more secluded. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. You got to do the easy bit. I have to do the hard bit and walk my butt back. Anyway, as always, take care of yourselves, take care of nature, and it'll take care of you. See you on the next one, you gorgeous people. Wish me luck. Bye.